Hello friends, in today's video I am going to share with you this silicone brush set, and I give you the full review, and I show you the application of these brush set. Friends, I have this lipstick, and it is very beautiful shade, but now it's end of the bottom, so I don't apply it directly on my lips. So that's why I use this brush, this sponge brush, but it not work for this tube, because it is sponge, so it absorbs so much lipstick inside the brush. So I think this is not workable for me, because with this brush so much product is waste. So I buy this new one. So I buy this one. Let's see.
These beats are the purest. Roll it, roll it.
So after opening it, we have three different type of brush in this packaging. So let's talk about one by one. Firstly, this brush, I think it's for lips, and you can use it on your eyes for eyeshadow. This one is very fine tip and very soft, and this one for eyeliner. You can use it as if you want to apply eyeliner. And this one also, I think, for a eyeliner, for wings eyeliner or for eyeshadow, I think. So let's see the application of the brush, if it work or not. It's very soft. So let's see if it work or. I apply on my lips, and let's see the pigment of the applicator. So I take more lipstick. It's very smooth on my lips. Now no more wastage of product. I am fully satisfied with this silicone brush, and it's very easy to clean. You can clean it with any wipe, or wipe it out, or you can wash it easily with water or any soap. So that's a good thing, friends. I am very excited to use it in future. And let me show you how you can use it as a liner brush. So I take a little bit of my eyeshadow and so friends, you can see it's very practical and very evenly and smoothly and smudge kind application of this brush. It feels very soft on the eyes and as well as lips. So you can see. So friends, tell me how you use them. This is my review about these silicone brushes. I hope you like the video friends, and if you have these silicone brushes already in your collection, then give me the suggestion of these two